Hey, what's good, everybody? Today we're looking at BTC and we're going to have a top-down analysis on it. So let's delete this, all of this actually. Yesterday's price action. All right. Okay. I had multiple analysis on this pair, BTC. Yesterday I took a trade and thought it was for sure going to go to my direction, but price had other plans. So let's go through the analysis that I did yesterday. I first identified this 15 minutes imbalance as price had reacted from, and they gave this rally up to the upside. As you can see on the 15 minutes, it was a pretty good rally. After the see, it started making higher highs. Then I identified this area with this liquidity, which is my entry model, order block, liquidity and imbalance, and price did mitigated, tap me in. So what I did was identified this 3-minute order block. Okay, and I use this low as liquidity. So yesterday around New York, afternoon New York, I took this trade. My stop loss originally was around here. So when price started to add the move to the upside, I moved my stop loss to this area. I was initially targeting the overall high, which is here. And as you can see, price stopped me out. Yeah. So I lost half of what I was supposed to lose because my original stop loss was here, and even if I held that, I've still got stopped out. So this was the first trade. And what price actually did after that stopped out, price tapped to this 15-minute order block, demand order block, had the same rally to the upside, indicating, uh, bullish momentum, because BTC, we have been bullish, currently at all-time highs. So price did the same thing, had the same setup. As you can see, the order block, the imbalance, and there's the liquidity. I was contemplating in taking this setup again because I had just been stopped out on here, and I didn't want to take 2 losses in a row. That would be against my rules. So I just closed my laptop and just leave the trade. So I didn't take this trade actually. But what price it actually was, it ended, it moved to where I was intended price to move to, which is to the upside, which is here, and yeah. So what I'm trying to do now is that I'm trying to have a re-entry because I already know price is gonna aim for higher highs. It's just gonna keep going in a bullish momentum. So from this, when I came to the charts, price was around so price was around this area. As you can see, it is New York, New York session. This New York time zone. Next session, we started from the 2. Yeah. So this was another entry that I missed out. So I slipped by then. Could have just gotten this and just held it. So when I came to the charts, price has already had this move, which was on the 1 minute time frame. So this was the 1 minute order block that price, demand order block that price had reacted from. And you can see the rally up, the rally to the upside, still indicating bullish momentum. So what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to enter base of this order block with this liquidity right here, and I will still try to aim for this high, for the overall high on BTC, which is this. This OB has already been mitigated. Let's check the 5 minutes. Yep, so this pretty much is a protected low. But just to be safe, this initially where I'll put my stop loss, but just to be safe, I will extend it to this low. Yeah, when price, if you mitigate this area of where my position is, and started moving to the upside, then I will modify my stop loss to this low and just let it run. I've already had my alert here. If price, and I know that I'm close to being triggered into this trade. Today is Monday, 6th October 2025. Yep. So this is what I have for BTC. 5 minute, 3 minute to this higher. Okay. Okay. If I have entered this trade since yesterday, but I've just been holding it. I won't bother to add any position because why? Just bothering myself, just putting more pressure on my trade. But I'm not in any trade currently, and so I will just leave this. Another pair that I am going to analyze now is GBPUSD, which also I'm on another trade. On this trade also I'm on this trade. So GBPUSD, let's start from the or let's start from the 1 hour time frame because this one is a top-down analysis. 4 time frame, you can see that price had mitigated this supply order block right here, having a rally to the downside. See, yeah, on the 2 hour also, price had mitigated this or the demand of the block, taking out liquidities and having the same rally to the upside. 1 hour, okay, 1 hour, yeah, then this 1 hour of the block, price had this mitigation rally to the upside. So what I did was I just looked for my entry, which is this, which is order block, liquidity, and imbalance. And I have been triggered on this trade, as you can see, boom, and now the trade is moving absolutely perfect. As soon as price bridge this high, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. So I'm just going to be break even on this trade. I'm aiming for these highs, and so yeah, let's see what price is going to if price is going to you know it take profit. But actually I have good com confidence in this trade. I have a you know just yeah. So let's see. That's my analysis on BTC USD and GBP USD, because those are the pairs that I'm trading for today, which I saw some opportunities. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice trading week. Yeah, good luck to the traders out there. Yeah, see you next time.